Hi, I'm Jeff with Westcott Designs, and here we have a new 2021 TRD Pro in the new Lunar Rock. This truck's bone stock. We just got it dropped off to us. I think it's got 40 miles on it. We are going to install one of our TRD Pro preload collar lifts in it. I have a stock preload collar that came on the truck right here, and then I have our preload collar that we make here in our shop, and you can see where it adds the height to the spring to the preload in it, which then in return gives us more lift. This truck, we're going to set up in it, and we're going to run a 295/70/18 on the factory 18-inch wheels. We're going to pick up about 2 inches of lift here in the front. We're going to pick up about 1 inch in the back. There's no alteration to the factory shocks that the TRD Pro Sequoia has in the rear. We don't do anything with that. We don't alter the front at all. We do remove the lower mud flaps here, the front splash guard here, and then the truck still retains all factory travel on it. There will be no limitations on the travel up or down on the suspension. This is not your traditional spacer lift that goes up on top of the strut and pushes the strut assembly down. That hinders the suspension, that takes away from the upward travel, and the limitations are set then on the strut, no longer bottoming out on the lower control arm like it was designed. So just stay tuned. We're gonna get this truck done up today. We will feature some pictures later on today and some video showing the truck on exactly what it looks like when it's all finished. But thanks for watching our video. Bye-bye.